What the heck is this thing? Does anyone know what this is? Southern Florida. Seems like a little aggressive headbutter. Where's your brother? This was just going to be a quick video of that bug, like what the heck is it, but we have a regrowing tail night gecko right here, right? Hey, what you doing, buddy? And then we got, what the heck? What are you doing in the trailer, dude? You're not supposed to. Whoa, bro! Chill out. Don't hurt yourself. Homie's freaking out now. Should have just left him. You're good, buddy. What are you doing? Alright. Well, we got a bird in the trailer now. That's great. Alright, stay comfy in here tonight, dude. Jeez!